What's up, everybody? It's Glock 30K. And a lot of people ask me why I stopped representing Could Have Been. I'm not going to get deep into it, but all I got to say is my presence is missed at Could Have Been because I make an impact. And when I make an impact, I leave my mark. Like the king of the jungle. So right now, they trying to fill the void. And that void is me, but your skin is homies, they can't fill that void, bro. When you're chosen one by God, you're always going to make an impact. I love entertaining, and it runs in my blood. Drewski admitted that, and I'm going to continue to do that till the day I drop dead. So when the deal is made, Drewski homie already know, when the deal is made, I'll go back to representing Could Have Been. For now, I'm not representing it until the deal is made. I love the fans, but man, the shit is, I know